Hi viewers, welcome back to Mymoonas kitchen with Shaariq. Today's recipe is okra masala and let's see how to prepare it. Take some lady's finger and cut it into long pieces as I have shown in the video. Pour a little bit of oil and fry them, shallow fry them, and no need to add any salt, just fry them. The okra is being fried, still not ready. It will take a few minutes more. Okra is fried now. These are the ingredients needed to make okra masala. 1 medium size onion sliced, half teaspoon cumin powder, little bit of turmeric powder, 3 teaspoons coriander powder, 2 medium sized tomatoes sliced, 2 teaspoons Kashmiri chilli powder, half teaspoon mustard, quarter teaspoon cumin, and a little bit of curry leaves. Add mustards. And add cumin seeds also. Now add curry leaves. Add the onions. Add the milk. When the onions are golden brown, add tomatoes. And now when the tomato is cooked, add masalas, Kashmiri chilli powder, turmeric powder, coriander powder, and stir them well. Give it a good mix. The tomatoes I have used are not juicy, so that's why it's dry. So if the tomatoes are juicy, it will be a thick gravy. So I think I have to add a little bit of water. I have added a little bit of water. And now you can see how it is. Add salt as much as needed. And let it boil for a few minutes. After that, add the okra pieces, fried okra pieces, and boil it once again so that the okra gets all the masalas. And now the recipe is ready. If you like this video, like, comment and share it with your family and friends. Until next, take care. Bye bye.